I met a French homeless beggar on the street of New Delhi. Beggars on the streets of New Delhi are commonplace, but I have never expected to meet someone from Europe in this position. I was buying fresh juice at main bazaar in New Delhi when a bad-smelling man came up to me and demanded to buy him juice. His clothes was dirty and his hands and his legs were swollen. I was outraged by his insolence. "You didn't understand," he said. "I'm French." And he actually spoke with a French accent. He told me that he ran out of money and the hotel manager kicked him out. So this naive European decided that nothing will happen if he spends one night on the street of New Delhi. Everything was stolen: his bag, his phone, his wallet, even his shoes. "But don't worry," he told me. "Now I found good people. I sleep on the street with them." I gave him my phone so he could send an email to his girlfriend. I gave him some money for food and left because I had to catch my flight. I couldn't actually believe that the story was true, but in half an hour I received an email from his girlfriend. She was out of her mind with worry and she sent him some money. I tried to find him, but I didn't really know where he sleeps. I am still asking myself if he is still alive.